Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss about the new chapter, solid state. First of all, what do you mean by solid? The solids are the substance which have the definite volume and the definite shape. Solid have a regular order of their constituent particles, that atom, molecule or ion, they arranged in the regular form. These particles are held together by fairly strong force. Therefore, they are present at fixed positions. The properties of solid not only depend upon the nature of the constituent but also on their arrangements and the type of force which hold the constituent particle together in a tightly packed arrangement. The solids are rigid and maintain their own shape when they subjected outside force. When subjected, if we are applying some force to outside, it will remain the rigid form. At the same time, if you consider the liquid and gases, when we are applying the force from the outside, they changing their shapes response to the outside force. Therefore, the liquid and gases are called fluid because of their ability to flow. Let's see some important characteristics, properties of solid. Solid have definite mass, volume and shape. Already we discussed. Solid have definite mass, volume and shape. The intermolecular distance in solid are short and the intermolecular forces are strong. The molecule arrangement, one molecule and another molecule arranged in very closely, and their intermolecular forces also very strong. They tightly bonded with one molecule to another or one atom to another. The constituent particles, atom, ion or molecule of solid have the fixed position and they can oscillate about their mean positions. Their position only accelerating. It means there is a equal amount of the motion in right side as well as left side. Solid are almost incompressible and rigid. Yes, we know solid we can't able to compress. The density of the solid is greater that of liquid and gases. We will discuss the classification of solid. Solid can be classified on the basis of nature of order present in the arrangement of constituent particles into two parts. One is the crystalline solid, another one is the amorphous solid. We will discuss the crystalline solid. Crystalline solid, it means the substance whose constituent particles are arranged in a definite geometrical pattern in three-dimensional spaces are called crystalline solid. Once again explaining, that is a crystalline solid means they arranged in definite geometrical pattern in three-dimensional spaces. They are called crystalline solid. X-ray diffraction studies of crystalline solids reveal that in these solid constituents are arranged in a definite order arrangement. The X-ray diffraction study, with the help of that we can identify the solids are arranged in the definite order or not. The regular arrangement of the constituent extends throughout the three-dimensional network of the crystals. In the crystalline, there is the pattern. It is a repeated pattern. It will throughout the network. They have the same shape, same order. There is no change in the crystalline network shape. Crystalline substances are said to have a long range order. Look at the figure. First one. Look at the designs. It is the first one, that is the benzene shape. So throughout all the molecule having the same shape. At the B1, you look at the B1, that is amorphous. These amorphous solid arrangement, you see the dimensional arrangement. One is the big size, one is small size. There is no defined order. But in the crystalline form A1, they have the defined form throughout the network. So that is they are telling it is a long range order. And second, they have the definite geometrical shape. And order arrangement, they have the order in their arrangements. And they have the sharp melting points. Most of the substances form the crystalline solid. For example, the elements like copper, silver, iron, sulfur, phosphorus, and iodine, and common compounds such as sodium chloride, potassium nitrate, zinc sulfide, quartz, etc. all form the crystalline solid. We will discuss the anisotropic nature of crystalline substance. Anisotropic nature, it means the crystalline substance which have the physical properties different in different directions are called anisotropic nature. For example, the electrical resistance, reflective index. When you are measuring from the top to bottom, you will get one value. In the horizontal way, if you measure, you will getting the another value. So this nature of the crystalline solid, they are called anisotropic in nature. We will discuss the next classification, amorphous solid. Amorphous means no order. In Greek word, the meaning is no order. These amorphous solid having irregular in shape. They have the irregular in shape, and they have the short range order. Look at the second figure. First one is a crystalline. Second figure, look at that. There is the order. There is any regular order? No. Irregular shape and the short range order. They are not continuously having the same shape. So it means they are the short range order. One shape is little place, after another shape, like they are continuously changing their shapes. This is the reason it is called a short range order arrangement. In amorphous solid, we are observing a regular and periodic repetition pattern is observed in a short distance only, not in the continuously, only short distance only we are observing the regular and periodic. After what happening, again it was changing. The second one, the second figure is the amorphous, that one. And they are scattered and disorders. Amorphous solid structures are similar to that of liquid. Amorphous solid structures are similar to that of liquids. And amorphous solids are gradually softened when a range of temperature, when the temperature is increasing. So what happening? They started flowing. when the temperature increasing. These are the characteristics of the amorphous solid. Pseudo solid or supercooled liquid. Amorphous solid have the tendency to flow slowly, very slowly. For this nature, it is called pseudo solid or supercooled liquid. For example, the glass, window glass, the upper side thin and lower side thick after the long years. This is the because the reason is they started slowly flowing with the when the sunlight temperature when they fall on the glass, they rising the temperature and they started slowly flowing. Because of this reason, the downside was thick and upside was thin. This nature is called, this nature of the solids are called pseudo solid or supercooled liquid. Isotronic in nature. Now, amorphous substances which have the physical properties same in all directions are called isotronic nature. Amorphous solid, the substance, the physical properties same in, if their physical properties same in all directions, they are called isotronic nature. Childrens, whatever we discussed today, learn it all the things. These are the very important. And pseudo solid, supercooled liquid, repeated asking question. Learn it. Thank you all of you.